Hello and welcome to Talgy Tutorials, where you will learn everything Talgy. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to renew and republish candidates and jobs on Talgy. In order to keep listings fresh on Talgy, we have an automatic expiration for both candidates and jobs that are published on Talgy. By default, they will expire in 30 days. You will be notified a few days prior when your jobs or candidates are about to be expired. You will also see the remaining time for both candidates and jobs in your My Account section. In order to keep the listings fresh, you will need to renew your listings. In this video, we will show you the process of renewing and republishing both candidates and jobs. Let's get started. First, log into your account. Once logged in, you will see the menu on the left for hot candidates, hot jobs, and My Account drop-down menu. First, I will show you how to renew and republish the candidates. Click on My Account tab and open My Candidates to see the list of candidates that you already published. If you are new to Talgy, of course this page will be empty. I created a test candidate for the purpose of this video. You can do the same by watching previous videos on how to create and publish a candidate on Talgy. Click on My Candidates and you will see the list of all candidates. Under Actions tab, you click on Renew and the pop-up window will come up to check and edit any information on the candidate if needed. Once everything is updated, we go ahead and click on Publish and the candidate will renew in the system. Now let's check and make sure that candidate was renewed. Go to My Candidates under the My Account tab and find the candidate you just republished. Check the published date and see that the candidate has been renewed. Now let's see how to renew the jobs in Talgy that have been expired. Again, let's go to My Account tab and click on My Jobs. Find the job that you want to be renewed and go to the Actions tab. Click on Renew. We repeat the same steps again. We make sure that everything is accurate and edit anything that needs to be changed or updated. After everything is edited, click on Publish. There you go. Our job will be republished again. Repeat the same steps to make sure the job is republished, the date is updated. Thank you for watching. Please give us a like and be sure to subscribe to our channel to be notified when new videos are published. Go to talgy.com to learn more.